Looks just like a little moosh. And look, here's a thin version of Big Moosh. Oh my goodness. I want to take them all home with me. Every single one. Hi, baby. Look at you in the toilet. There's a toilet. Oh my god, I love it. I want all of them. Little ones. Oh, it's a kitten. Oh my god. Poor kitties. Right, home again. So I bought some cool stuff. I got a light fixture for that because this is just disgusting and ugly and dirty and gross. So that's going out of here. I got a new door handle for outside because it has like a key lock, but it's like two different ones. So I wanted to be able to lock it because like just this morning the gas guy came and just like came in our yard and like went in our backyard, and I'm laying in bed like, who is this guy? What the heck's going on? So that's gonna and oh, it was the bigger ones. Dang it. I got new light bulbs and I thought it was the smaller ones, but it was the bigger ones. But whatever, who cares? And I got a new doorbell. Yay! Doorbell. Because the doorbell was broken. So yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Very exciting. And then I got some cat stuff. I got new cat bowls and a new water thing because Dan hates the one we had. It's like a plug-in one and it kind of sucks. So yeah, new doorbell. Very exciting. So now we can lock our gate and not worry about people not being able to get a hold of us. So I'm going to do the doorbell first, like right now. And then I'm going to like seriously tackle this. Oh no. Oh no. I need to move that. That's a horrible place for it. Dang it. Boo. Alright, let's get busy. So I bought the wrong doorbell. I could have sworn it said battery, but it says two botones or whatever because it's in Spanish. On that side, two buttons. I'm retarded. I looked at a bunch of them like, battery, make sure it's battery, make sure it's battery. And then what do? I buy one that's not a battery. Ugh! It's super frustrating. So now I have to go back. Dang it. I'm so bummed. I really wanted to fix that like right now. So I don't know, maybe I'll do some other stuff and then go in a bit. Dang it. Well, my super productive day has like taken a turn for the worst. I went to go return the doorbell and they didn't have the one that I needed, and so then I started to go around, like call around, no one has it. Okay, so the Lowe's downtown has what I'm looking for. Supposedly, they said they do. So I'm gonna try to go there, but now Isis is outside, who knows where. This day is turning into what I was hoping to be like, yeah, let's do it, let's do all this stuff, let's get stuff done. It's turning into like, I can't wait for it to be over. So that sucks and it's super frustrating. So, oh, yeah. So let's go. So I totally rocked it. I went up the street to the Osh and they actually had it. I was like, wow, I've been trying to go like everywhere but like 5 minutes away from me. And bam, it was 5 minutes away from me. So I got it. It's all plugged in. I just need batteries because I thought they took A's, but they don't. So yeah, it's all sleek and fancy. It was the only one too that was battery or transistor or whatever, and I needed battery. Why they would pick like the most difficult one to find beats me, but yeah. So once I go get batteries, we'll have a working doorbell. It's amazing. Hopefully. Knock on wood, because that would suck if it didn't work for whatever reason and it was actually like the wiring or something. I'm not even gonna go there. So yeah, cool, got that out of the way. Yes, awesome. So I am at Dan's work right now and I'm not picking him up because I'm going in and we are playing Settlers of Catan with his coworkers, which I'm assuming they probably started without me, but still maybe I can jump in or something. But I'm excited. I love that game and I like his coworkers, so yeah, it'll be fun. Hopefully it'll be more than like 5 minutes, but not like all night long because they haven't eaten dinner yet. And even if they got food, I probably can't eat it, so we'll see. like a hissing party. What is it, Moosh? Toby! Hi, Toby. Yeah, I know, they're so grumpy. You. They're so grumpy, Toby. They're going crazy in there. Yeah. Oh, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, hi, baby. You're so cute. Batman has serious issues with other cats. What's going on, Toby? Oh, he's like, whatever, guys, it's chill. You're not gonna fit through there. Oh, he's such a lover. So we decided to name him Tubby Toby because we came up with the name Tubby, but then Dan accidentally called him Toby instead of Tubby because we thought if for whatever reason he loses some weight, he won't be Tubby anymore, and then he won't have a name anymore. So we'd have to come up with a new name. So this way, if he loses weight... Oh, Tubby, Toby! You knocked over my rocks! Yeah, well... Nah. Oh, goodness! He's so grumpy! Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's getting frisky. I'm gonna stop petting him. He started to nip at me because I was petting his butt. He's like, damn, that's sexy. Of course I hear Batman. Batman. What's wrong, baby? Toby. Oh, he's so good though. He just sits there and rubs his head on the door instead of coming inside. Such a chicken poop. Look at Toby. He's just chilling. He's just rubbing his face on the door. Yeah, I know. Yeah. He's so cute. Good night, Toby. I don't want to close the door on him. Oh, there he goes. He's going. Okay, scaredy poop. You protecting your food? Here, smell him. Can you smell him on my finger?
That's what he sounded like. I think that's a pretty good impression.